In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste in Adobe Express. Whether you're new to using Adobe Express or just looking to improve your efficiency, mastering the ability to copy and paste text elements can certainly make your design process smoother and faster. So, let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about using keyboard shortcuts, which are a quick and convenient way to expedite your workflow. If you're using a Windows computer, you'll want to use Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. For Mac users, the shortcuts are slightly different. You'll use Command+C to copy and Command+V to paste. These shortcuts are quite universal across different software applications, so getting familiar with them can greatly enhance your productivity across various platforms. Now let's move on to copying or duplicating text elements specifically within Adobe Express. Begin by selecting the text box or any element you intend to copy. You can do this by clicking directly on the element. Once you have it selected, all you need to do is use your respective keyboard shortcut for copying. Then, you can use the paste shortcut to insert the copied element wherever you need it. This method is particularly handy when you're working on complex projects that require consistent formatting or design elements. Adobe also provides additional options for copying or duplicating text elements. After selecting a text box, you might notice a small three-dot menu that appears. Clicking on this menu will reveal various options, including the possibility to duplicate or copy your selected element. There's even the option to move the element forward or backward within your layer stack. This can help you manage the positioning of elements in your design, giving you greater flexibility and control over how your final composition looks. Remember, effectively using copy and paste functions can significantly reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus more of your creative energy on the design itself. Whether you're working on a simple poster or a detailed presentation, understanding these shortcut keys and options can streamline your workflow. I hope this guide has helped clarify how to use copy and paste features in Adobe Express. Feel free to take the time to practice these techniques, as with more practice, using these shortcuts will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.